Children, to know more about weather and seasons, we will also read lesson number 11, Weather and Seasons, on page number 84 of your EVS book, My Living World. So let's start. Weather. Weather changes from day to day. Children, when you wake up in the morning and you go out and you see that it's a sunny day, and sometimes you see there are clouds, and next day you see that it's raining. It means you are talking about the weather of a particular day, and weather keeps on changing from day to day. Now let's see in the pictures given below. How is the weather today? Write yes or no in the boxes given below. Children, in the first picture, it's shown that it is a sunny day and it's very hot. If you notice this kind of weather, then you will write yes in the first yellow box, otherwise you will write no. But if you notice that it's cloudy as shown in the second picture and the day is not so sunny, then you will write yes in the second yellow box, otherwise you will write no. But if you notice that strong wind is blowing, it means that the weather of that day is windy. So you will write yes in the third yellow box, otherwise you will write no. Then in the last picture, it's shown that the day is rainy. So if it's raining, then you will write yes in the fourth yellow box, otherwise you will write no. So children, I hope that you have understood what is weather. Now there is an activity given on page number 84. Let's read it. Something to do. Make a wind chime. Collect some aerated drink bottle caps. Tie in twos on both ends of a thick thread. Fix them on a stick as shown. Hang in the window of your classroom. Listen to the sound it makes. Children, I have shown you how to make this wind chime in the next video. So you can see it, learn from it, and you can make the same wind chime with the help of your parents. Now children, I will tell you what is the difference between wind and breeze. When there is a strong air blowing outside and there is lot of noise, it is known as wind. But if the air is not so strong and the sound is very low and you feel cool air blowing, it means it's a breeze. Right children? So now we will read page number 85. Seasons. Summer, winter and rainy seasons are three main seasons in India. Some places have two more seasons called spring and autumn. Children, here in Amritsar, we can experience all these 5 seasons: summer, winter, rainy, spring and autumn. But as I have already told you, I will discuss only summer season with you, as these days summer season is going on. So let's read summer season. In summers, it is very hot. Hot winds blow throughout the day. People wear light cotton clothes and enjoy drinks, such as lassi, shakes, etc. Fans, coolers, and air conditioners are used to keep the heat away. Children, as I have already discussed with you, that summer season is a very hot season. Hot winds blow throughout the day and it's sunny. So people like to wear light cotton clothes because these clothes keep your body cool. And if you feel very hot, then you can drink lassi, shakes, and very important, lemonade, because these drinks also keep your body cool. And children, you know that we sweat a lot in this season. So we like to sit under fans, coolers, and air conditioners because all these keep the heat away. So children, I think that summer season is very much clear to you, and now you will read pages 30, 31, 84 and 85 twice with the help of your parents. Right? Thank you, children.